gentlemen of the press, I welcome you to this media press briefing on the activities of Federal Operations Unit Zone A of the Nigeria Customs Service. While this briefing dwells on our anti-smuggling activities, which aim to protect our economy and prevent revenue loss, it is also aimed at discouraging unlawful activities, especially those that contravene the customs extant laws. Within the first 6 months of this year, our activities resulted in a high volume and value of seizures, with some suspects arrested. We also succeeded in preventing the entry of dangerous or harmful substances like illicit drugs into the society. Our strategic intervention also achieved recovery of revenue through the issuance of demand notices to complete underpaid duties into the federal government coffers that were being evaded by some importers and their agents. For the period under review, we made 580 seizures with a duty paid value of 4,022,960,075 naira. We also arrested 60 suspects and recovered a total of 400,959,515 naira 66 kobo as revenue through the issuance of demand notices. We wish to express our profound gratitude to sister security agencies for their unflinching synergy in the course of our operations. Special mention to the Department of State Security Services, Oyo State Command, for the arrest of a notorious suspect that was on a wanted list for attack on customs patrol team escorting exhibits. Interestingly, this suspect was arrested and handed over to the unit just yesterday. Through the Federal High Courts, 11 suspects were convicted for committing offenses of improper importation, assault of custom officers, being in possession of foreign parboiled rice, and for being in possession of pangolin scales meant for export. While some other smuggling and related cases instituted in the courts are at various stages of prosecution and will be followed up diligently. Prominent among the seizures is rice, which amounts to 36,742 by 50 kg bags of foreign parboiled rice, equivalent to 62 trailer loads. Some of them were ferried through bush paths using motorcycles and rickety vehicles as means of conveyance. Also notable among other seizures include 14,015 converted to about 7,728 parcels of cannabis sativa, otherwise known as Indian hemp, 1,064 bales of used clothing, 450 by 106 kilograms of drums of carbide, 2 by 20 containers of unprocessed food, 1,448 pieces of foreign rocks, 30 units of used motorcycles, 44 units of used vehicles, 218,575 liters of premium motor spirits, 860 cartons of foreign poultry products, and 833 pieces of used tires. Let me reiterate that for the second half of 2023, our onslaught against smugglers will be fiercer, with a renewed determination to uncover using intelligence-backed enforcement. We shall get recalcitrant traders and their agents arrested and prosecuted in addition to seizing their wares. At this point, members of the trading community are advised to further embrace compliance and shun any act that will place them on the wrong side of the law. We advise them to keep themselves abreast of the import and export prohibition list, because claims of ignorance will not suffice as an excuse whenever they are caught. What you are seeing outside now, these are seizures made within June. But we will take you right in so that you will see the figures of rice we have that will justify the 62 trailer load that we told you. That's about 34,000 bags. Yeah, 34,000 bags of rice. But these are just what we have for the month of June. But we'll take you in now to see others. Just as usual, from different points within the southwest, from Seme, Idiroko, Oyo Axis, even from Ondo Ekiti, because we have some bags of rice from Ondo Ekiti.
So going from what you have here, looking at the stats, would you say that smuggling, especially with regards to rice, among others, is it dwindling, or you say it's still the same or the same?
Well, when smuggling is not a thing one can do away with at once, all we are trying to do is to reduce the extent of that smuggling. But what is most straightforward and clear is that rice is the in thing that is at the corridor of smuggling now. It's rice everywhere. You see, out. This one, there is no way to access the inner. The inner is filled to the brim. So even the outer layer here has been used for constructive warehousing, as you can see. That's true. Yes. As you can see, some of those rice you are seeing outside, we will use few of it to block here. I hope you are getting it now. This place is already filled up, but we are going to bring part of it to add to here, so that it will be as high as others. That you are free to move around. It's still the same rice you are seeing inside those trailers there. They are constructively warehoused. See, it's just the same, still the same rice at the back, tied inside leather, so that for rain not to affect it. So, thank you. Shall we?